Welcome to the final lecture on problems on trains. Now, let's jump into the problems. Let us read the first question. Two trains, 140 meters and 160 meters long, run at the speed of 60 kilometers per hour and 40 kilometers per hour respectively in opposite directions on parallel tracks. The time in seconds which they take to cross each other is. So here, as we can observe, they have given us the two lengths of the trains and two speeds also. This is why it comes under the relative motion of trains, and they've also given us the direction. So we can include relative speeds in this, and we have to find the time. Yes. So at first, they've given us the two speeds and the directions. Let us find the relative speed of it. So now, relative speed will be 60 plus 40, that is 100. But as it is in kilometer per hour, let us convert it into meter per second. This will be 250 divided by 9 in meter per second. As they've also given us the length, let us find the distance. As they are moving in the opposite directions, the distances also are to be added. So it's 140 plus 160. The total distance is always L plus B, as we have read earlier. So it's 140 plus 160, that is 300 in meters. Now, we have got the speed and we have got the distance. What we have to do again is, we know the formula speed is equals to distance by time. So time will be distance by speed, as we have interchanged both of these. So time will be distance by speed. That will be, the distance is 300 meters as we have seen here, and the speed is 250 divided by 9. So this will be 300 into 9 divided by 250. This is 54 divided by 5. That is 10.5 seconds. We've got the time. Let's move on to the next question. Let us first read the question. Two trains of equal length are running on parallel line in the same direction at 46 km per hour and 36 km per hour. The faster train passes the slower train in 36 seconds. The length of each train is. They have given us the time directly, and with this we can find the relative speed, as we've got two speeds and the direction is already set. So relative speed can be found like this, and they have said us that it is of equal length. So finding one length is enough. Finding the length of one train is enough. So let it be x. Let us assume the length of the train to be x. Now, let us find the relative speed. As they both are in the same direction, we have to subtract it. Is equals to u minus v, where u should always be greater than v. So 46 will be u. That is 46 minus 36. That is 10. So, but this is in kilometer per hour. Let us convert it into meter per second. 10 into 5 divided by 18. So that will be 25 by 9. So we've got the relative speed. We've got the speed. We already know the time. And we can find distance. How? So to find distance, we know that distance is equal to the length of each train. We have two lengths. So as we have assumed the length of train to be x, let it be x plus x, that is 2x. So now we know the distance, we know the speed, we know the time. We know the formula also. Speed is equals to distance by time. So what is speed? Speed is 25 by 9 is equals to, distance is 2x divided by time is already given here, that is 36. So now 2 18s are, so x divided by 18 is equals to 25 by 9. 9 2s are, so x will be 25 into 2, that is 50. So we found the length of the train. The length of each train is 50 and both lengths are same, so any train's length is 50. So this is the end of the topic. Hope you have understood all the concepts involved.